Assalamu alaikum. My name is Laika Tahir and I am here to present my project for my course Data Structures and Algorithms. The title of my project is a Students Management System. So let's start the presentation and start with the code. The first part of the code is creating a node class and a constructor. Here is a node class and the constructor. This node class represents a node in the linked list. It has data members for the student's roll number, name, department, marks, and a pointer to the next node. And the constructor is used to initialize the node with the provided values, which the user will provide through the main program. The next part of the code is the head of the linked list. This is a global pointer and it is a global pointer to the linked list. It is initially set to null pointer, indicating that the list is currently empty. The next part of the code is a check function. And this check function checks whether a record with the given roll number already exists or not. It iterates through the list and returns true if the match is found, otherwise false. This is the code. The next part of the code is an insert function to insert the record into the linked list. This is the code. And this function inserts a new student record into the linked list. It checks first if the record with the given roll number already exists or not through the check function which we discussed before. If the record does not exist, it creates a new node and inserts it at the beginning, middle, or end of the list based on the roll number, and then it prints a success message. This one. The next part of the code is a search function to search if the record of a student already exists into the linked list or not, and it will check through the roll number. It will ask the user to enter the roll number, and then it will search through the linked list if the record exists or not. And if the record does not exist, it will print a no such record available message. This is the code. The next part of the code is a delete function to delete the record of a student. Here again, it will ask the user to enter the roll number of the student, and when the roll number will be entered, it will iterate through the linked list and check if the record is present or not. And if the record is present, it will delete that record. And if the record does not exist, it will print a message showing that the record does not exist here. And if the record is found and it is deleted successfully, then it will display a success message. The next part of the code is a function to display all the student records. So if you are going to select this function, it will display the record of all the students that are present in the linked list. And it will print the roll number, the name, the department, and the marks of the students in a tabular form. Now, the next part of the code here, it is written to delete the allocated memory for the linked list. And it will set the global head pointer, which we discussed in the beginning, again to the null pointer, displaying an empty list after deleting all the records. So the next part of the code is the main function. It will display a message to the users, a choice, 5 different choices. Either you want to add a record, delete record, search, or show all the records, or exit. And we have given these choices using the switch case, and the user will select the choice of their own and they will use it. So this was the code. Let's start see the output of this code. This is the output of the code. It is displaying us 5 different options to add a student, delete or search, show and exit. So let me select option number 1 to add a student record. Suppose the name is Ali, roll number 78, department is CPED, and total marks are 89. It displays the message record inserted successfully. Now it again displays me 5 options. I can either exit or select the remaining 4 options. Let me go for option number 3, that is search the student record, and it will search for the roll number. So I will provide the roll number, that was 78, which I inserted before. It displays me the record here, the roll number, name, department, and marks. Now let me select option number 2 to delete this record. Roll number 78, record deleted successfully. Now let me exit the program. So this is how this code is going to work. And that was all for my presentation. Thank you.